Okay, so we have the question over here, all right, from your specimen paper. Okay, so this is your specimen paper over here, right, for the 2023. You do not need to write the whole thing. You only need to write a procedure. Okay, you only need to write a procedure. That is why you have the procedure here, right? And you have your end procedure here. Okay, so that is all you need to write. And these, of course, are the requirement of the procedure, right? All these bullet point are over here. Okay, now the first thing is a procedure do not execute by itself, just like a function. But a function also do not execute by itself. They need to be called. Right? So which means somewhere inside the main code, they will actually call this procedure that is called check patient over here. Right? And during that calling process, okay, they will pass over this data, which is the hospital number. So if you think about the design over here, basically means I will actually use this procedure to check the patient, right, by passing over the hospital number. Right. Of course, we will validate the hospital number over here based on the requirement. And if it doesn't match, right, the requirement, it will produce an error down here. Okay. But why is it that I do not have any loop over here? That is because I will create the loop inside the calling main program or the main code. All right, the loop will be over there. This procedure will be called inside the loop. So that loop over there, or in the main program, will be the one that is incrementing the uh, array. All right. So that is why we don't see the array being looped inside here, despite the fact that you have a 1D array and a 2D array over here.